Turn to page 210, wherever you are right now. Let's mark these first few. If we get done before the end of the block, then that's great. If not, no big deal. You will finish this tonight. Also, I would recommend getting a very good start on pages 214 to 219, because that will be what we are working on tomorrow, but I'm going to need 20 to 25 minutes to mark it. So you're only going to get a 55 to an hour worth of work time tomorrow. And I want to finish marking this tomorrow as well. So get a very good start on 214 to 219. Everything on this page is worth 1 mark. Slope on a graph. What's the easiest way to find slope on a graph? Rise over run. All you got to do is count. Pick a point. Oh, look, I even picked the points for you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 7, negative 5. Slope, negative 7/5. 1 mark. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 7, negative 9, negative 7/9. 1 mark each. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, positive 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, positive 5, 6/5. And lastly, up 4, when my computer lets me. Up 4, and that way 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 4 ninths. That looks like 9 ninths. 4 ninths. 1 mark each. How do I find slope when I have 2 x's and 2 y's? Right, so 38 over 20, which is 19 over 10. I will accept either of those. That is the better answer. 2 over negative 23. 33 over 27, which would be better as 11 over 9. No problem. 13 over 10. 20 minus 13 is positive 33. 9 minus 18 is positive 27. At least that's the math I'm doing. Okay. Slope here, that is in slope-intercept form. So right there would be m, but m isn't written there. What is the coefficient that we never write? 1, so the slope here is 1. Slope here is 3/5, making the whole first page out of 10. Any questions on the first page? Going once, going twice, going thrice, gone. Turn the page over. Is that slope-intercept form? Yes, so the slope is 1/2. Is that? Yes, so the slope is 5/4. Is that? No, y equals negative x plus 3, so the slope is negative 1. This one, the slope is y equals negative 5x plus 4, so the slope is negative 5. This one, the slope is 9 over 2. This one, the slope is negative 7/5. Does anybody need any of that explained? Excellent. Graph each line. Y equals negative 1. Where is y equals negative 1? It is right there. If it is always negative 1, it must be that line right there for 1 point. X equals negative 4. X equals negative 4 is right there. If x is always negative 4, it must be that line right there. Any questions about those two? There shouldn't be. That was quite plainly explained in previous years. Is that slope-intercept form? Yep. So you go to 3, put your first dot, because 3 is the y-intercept, and your slope is -2. So that's up 2, left 1, down 2, right 1. That's your line. That is in slope-intercept form as well, but there is no b. What number is nothing? 0. What is your slope? -1. So it is this line. Making that page out of 10. Any questions? Once? Twice? Thrice? Okay. Turning the page over to 210, I believe. That is not slope-intercept form, but x plus 4 equals y is slope-intercept form. So you go up to 4 and you get a slope of +1. That line right there. That is y equals 6 over 5x minus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Your line should be over there. That is 2/5 x minus 3. Minus 3 up 1, 2 over 5. That should be your line there. That is -1 with a slope of -1. So that should be your line there. That is y equals x plus 1. So that should be your line there. And that is y equals -1/2 x plus 2. Down 1, out 2, down 1, out 2. And that should be your line there. Any questions? That page was out of 6, I believe. 6. Now, can I carry on? Has everybody done this question? No? All right, that is where I will stop. Tomorrow at the beginning of class, we will be marking pages 211, 212, 213. You will then be given probably 45 minutes to work on 214 to 218, 19. Then we will mark that. Okay? Get a good start on that because you're probably not going to get it done in class tomorrow. Of course I can. Give yourself a mark here out of 26, then it'll be easy tomorrow to add. Hey, no one's going to kiss anyone. Just do math. People feeling good? Feeling right? Dude, if you're going to be a rugby player, you need to get used to it. I do not remember the last time for the months of September to June that my body didn't hurt. You have to learn to differentiate the difference between hurting and being injured. Your body is going to hurt for the rest of your life, and it's going to get worse and worse and worse if you continue to play rugby. Hopefully you will avoid injury, because you can't avoid pain. You smile to leave the room again? Oh, you're just doing garbage. And I still got a smile. Wow. It's my lucky day.